Hello everyone. Creating a stylish and cozy bedroom on a budget for 2024 can be both fun and fulfilling. With the right DIY home decor ideas, you can transform your space into a personal haven without breaking the bank. Here's how you can do it with affordable, creative solutions. Plan with a vision before diving into any DIY projects. It's essential to establish a vision for your bedroom. What kind of vibe are you aiming for? Whether it's a minimalist, bohemian, modern, or rustic aesthetic, defining your style will guide you in selecting appropriate decor pieces. If your goal is cozy, a mix of soft textures, warm lighting, and inviting colors can work wonders. Refresh your walls with paint or wallpaper. An instant way to change the mood of your bedroom is by refreshing your walls. Painting is a budget-friendly DIY option that dramatically impacts the feel of the room. Neutral tones like soft grays, creams, or pastels can bring warmth, while bold accent walls in deep green or navy can add a stylish touch. Alternatively, consider peel and stick wallpaper, a trendy, removable option that allows you to experiment with patterns without commitment. DIY headboard with affordable materials. A stylish headboard can become the focal point of your bedroom. However, you don't need to buy an expensive one. Try creating a DIY headboard using inexpensive materials like reclaimed wood, fabric, or even old doors. You can upholster a simple wooden board with soft foam and your choice of fabric, adding both comfort and elegance to your room. Upcycled furniture for character. Upcycling is an excellent way to give your old furniture a fresh, stylish look. Whether it's an old dresser, nightstand, or chair, you can transform these pieces with a coat of paint or some new hardware. Try painting furniture in contrasting colors for a modern vibe or distressing it for a rustic, shabby chic appearance. Layering textiles for comfort. One of the easiest ways to make your bedroom feel cozy is by layering textiles. Invest in affordable, soft fabrics for your bedding, throw blankets, and pillows. Play with different textures like cotton, linen, and faux fur to create depth and warmth. You can easily find budget-friendly bedding in stores or even repurpose fabric you already have. DIY lighting for ambiance. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere. You can make your own stylish lighting fixtures, such as hanging pendant lights or fairy light displays. String lights draped over a headboard or across the walls provide a soft, inviting glow, perfect for creating a relaxing bedroom ambiance. You can also upcycle mason jars into unique bedside lamps or candle holders. Wall art and prints. Wall art can instantly elevate your bedroom's look. You don't need to spend a fortune on artwork. There are plenty of DIY options. Create your own abstract art with some acrylic paints and canvas or frame pages from magazines, books, or calendars. Printable wall art is also a cost-effective way to personalize your space. Websites like Etsy offer digital prints that you can purchase at a low cost and print yourself. Mirrors for space and light. Mirrors are a stylish and functional addition to any bedroom. Not only do they add visual interest, but they can also make a small space appear larger and brighter by reflecting light. Instead of buying expensive mirrors, consider DIYing one by framing a plain mirror with wooden trim, rope, or even faux greenery. Personalized storage solutions. Keeping your bedroom tidy is essential for maintaining a cozy vibe. DIY storage solutions can be both functional and stylish. Consider making floating shelves out of reclaimed wood or hanging storage baskets to clear clutter off your surfaces. Old crates can be repurposed into chic storage units, or you can use decorative boxes and baskets to organize items like blankets, books, or accessories. Add plants for freshness. Bringing a bit of nature into your bedroom is an affordable and effective way to enhance its coziness. Potted plants, such as succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies, can breathe life into your space while also improving air quality. If you're on a tight budget, you can propagate plants from cuttings or find inexpensive pots at secondhand stores. DIY rugs for a cozy floor. A soft, plush rug adds warmth and comfort to your bedroom floor. If purchasing a new rug is out of your budget, consider making a DIY rug using recycled materials. You can braid old fabric scraps into a rug or stitch together pieces of felt to create a unique design. Repurpose old fabrics for curtains. Stylish curtains can complete the look of a cozy bedroom, but they don't need to be expensive. Repurpose old bed sheets, scarves, or tablecloths into curtains. If you enjoy sewing, you can create custom curtains that match the color scheme of your room. The right window treatments can enhance the room's warmth and offer a sense of privacy. Seasonal decor for a cozy feel. In 2024, embracing seasonal elements in your decor is a popular trend. For fall and winter, add cozy touches like plaid throw blankets, velvet pillows, and candles. Switching out a few key pieces like your bedding or artwork with the changing seasons keeps your room feeling fresh and inviting throughout the year. Decorate with personal touches. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality. Incorporate personal items like photos, souvenirs from trips, or handmade crafts to make the space feel more like you. A DIY photo display or a collage of memorable moments can serve as an inexpensive yet meaningful piece of decor. Statement pieces with budget finds. You don't have to spend a fortune to make a statement in your bedroom. Thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces can be treasure troves for unique decor pieces like vintage lamps, picture frames, or decorative vases. These items can add character and style to your space without a high price tag. Conclusion: creating a stylish and cozy bedroom on a budget is entirely possible with a little creativity and DIY effort. By repurposing old items, focusing on textiles, and incorporating personal touches, you can transform your bedroom into a warm and inviting retreat. Whether you're refreshing your decor for 2024 or simply looking to add a few new elements, these ideas offer practical and affordable ways to make your space feel like home. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.